Okay, so we ran into some issues. The OEM gasket that I had for the pump didn't fit with that new reservoir, because this is a 95 pump with a 2001 reservoir. So yeah, that's kind of the issue I'm running into now. One of these O-rings did work. It fit in there very well. So I'm going to try and use that all together. And it looks like it worked. As far as sealing it down goes, it's sealed really tight. So I'm hoping that there's no more issues with it. So we'll see. Just kind of giving you an idea on how I did this. So 95 pump with a 2001 reservoir. That, like I said, the hoses look like they're going to go kind of in the same spot that they are now. I'm hoping there's not much kinking in the line, so we'll see. If there is, I have the other hose, and we'll give that a go. If not, I'm going to return it if I don't need it, because it was $93. So that's going to conclude part one of this install video, and I'll do the other part tomorrow. Very easy to do. It's 2 bolts, or I'm sorry, 3 bolts in the front and the bottom. Kind of how it's lined up right there, you know, up and down. And then the whole thing comes out. There's a back bolt on some of them, and some of them don't use it. Like the one on there now doesn't have it, but the other pump does. I don't know if I'm going to leave that on there or not. I don't think I have the other bolt, so we'll see. But that's it. We'll try and get it on tomorrow and go from there.